Hello, today we are going to solve one question from WBCS Mains General Studies Paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. Among the Bronze Age civilization, which one was undoubtedly the largest in extent, whether it is Egyptian or Mesopotamian or Harappan or Mehrgarh? Okay, as we know that Mesopotamian civilization was the largest civilizations. Mesopotamian civilization was the largest one. The ancient Sumerians were perhaps the oldest. The ancient Sumerians, perhaps the oldest, largest, and best known among the Bronze Age civilizations of Mesopotamia. Not only were the Sumerians the earliest society to be based on religion and political administration. The earliest society to be based on religion and political administration. They also invented the wheel, boats, and ships. They also invented the wheel, boats, and ships. Therefore, the right answer is option 2, that means Mesopotamian. So we have successfully answered this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.